Guys, I'm here doing a bike check on my DK Professional. This like racing bike. This is my life, man. You have no idea. Alright, starting off with the DK Professional frame. DK Professional frame, and I got a United pedal seat. I got the Alienation seat post. I got the Sin seat clamp. Moving down to the cranks. I actually just got these yesterday. I have a set of time clips. You can see it better. But yeah, I got a set of time clips. I got a set of profile light cranks. I got a profile bottom bracket. I think it's the European, but I could be wrong. I got the profile spider. It's like the chain ring holder, kind of. I got the Sins 44 tooth chain ring. I got, moving back to the back though, I got a profile mini hub. I got the profile mini hub laced to Sun Envy rim. I think it's Primo spokes. And I got a 16 tooth driver on here. Sorry, it looks really dirty right now. I was racing this past weekend and I didn't get to wash it, but then I got, I don't know what the chain tensioner is, but I got Shimano brakes, a Shimano brake lever. I got some tangent bars. I got the Colony stem, super light, sick. I got the Revenge Industry headset. Don't worry, I do not know what brand that is either. I got a fly brake cable. I got, this is my pride and enjoyment. I got Supercross forks. I got a profile front mini, also laced to a Sun Envy rim with Primo spokes. I have fit inner tubes, but I don't think you guys really care about that. But I got Tioga Power Block tires. They're 1.75. You can see here, pretty skinny. And we got the Animal Metal Barns. I got Animal Edwin grips. The thing about these grips, if you're one of those people that you have a problem, like if you have sweaty hands or something, please don't get these grips. Go with like, I don't know, Cult Vans grips or something. Those ones, from what I heard, are pretty good. But these ones, unless you're wearing gloves or something, they're gonna wear really fast. In my opinion, they do. And yeah, I'm just not a really big fan of them. I'm waiting to get a set of ODI long necks right now. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching my setup. And if you want to hear the sound of my amazing hub, alright, thanks for watching, guys. Catch y'all later. And comment, like, subscribe, all that shit. and I'll keep posting videos. It's my first video, but yeah, give me some ideas on what y'all want me to do. So, alright, I'll catch y'all later.